What's happening, Crypto Crew? This is Kalelcanfly. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. This is my wife, Emily.
Hello.
And we are going to get into episode 11.
11.
Yes, of Chainsaw Man.
Yes.
This one is entitled Mission Start.
Mission Start.
So I have a feeling this is where the story is actually going to begin.
Start taking off.
Yeah, these last couple of episodes I think are going to be crazy.
Yes, I agree.
So yeah, we've seen Denji go through some crap.
Yes.
Already.
I've been through some crap with him.
Yeah.
Emotionally. Like I get pissed and I get happy and then I get mad and then, it's a roller coaster.
You get excited for him and you want him to succeed.
Then your heart breaks for him and yeah. A lot of emotions involved.
And then you get grossed out because his first kiss ends
vomit. Oh, bless his heart.
Yeah.
Bless his heart.
But he swallowed.
He went back for seconds though, didn't he?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
But yeah, what a great show this is. We're really looking forward to it. We're enjoying the holiday season. We hope you are too.
Yes.
And are you ready to watch this episode?
I'm so ready.
All right, well, let's do it. Here we go. Please do smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. You thought I was going to forget that.
Thank you.
Here we go.
That's right. He was making a contract with this devil, right?
Yeah, I believe
what's going on?
Future devil.
Yeah, or something. He only has 2 years to live. Yep. Yeah.
2 others that have contracts. No eyes, no taste of smell is what they gave her.
So what is he, like a ghost?
Remember, it was that eyeball.
That's right.
But it was dark, so we don't know.
Oh my gosh.
If there was anything else other than the eyeball.
Right. Oh dear Lord. Yeah, because you can't see nothing around him.
Right.
What kind of devil is this? Oh.
Oh, it's definitely something else.
Oh, what is that?
Woo!
Oh.
Psycho. Mirai Psycho. Mirai Psycho.
That was
scary.
Like
he said, "Me, I'm psycho."
Yeah, that's what I thought he was saying. Like, I am psycho.
The future rules.
Oh my God. He has to stick his head inside of him?
Yeah.
Oh dear God. Oh. It's kind of comical.
Yeah.
You know? Was it a joke?
I mean, he literally just head fucked that.
Exactly.
Well, live inside your right eye.
Oh.
それだけでいいのかって顔だな。なぜならお前は未来で最悪の死に方をする。どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか？お前は言わなくてもいい。自分の死に方には興味ない。俺は俺が殺したい奴を殺せれば。
Oh, get in my eye. Man, he's not wasting any time.
No, he's not.
These guys, I tell you.
They keep trying and trying.
俺を強くしてくれたからな。
こ
れでもっと悪魔を殺せる。そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブーだ。
I love him.
Hey, all this time he's like, I'm just taking this beating to get better so I can sleep with Makima.
Yeah. He wants to feel boobies.
これからもデンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いします。
生の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。うちはな。
私は悪魔から一人でも多く人を救いたいだけ
He
です。
doesn't trust her one bit,
No,
does
he
he?
does not.
4課の存在を積極的に報道することになってます。そうすれば4課は今より動きやすくなって より悪魔から人を救える。
Oh,
嘘つき。
she smiled.
Yeah.
I told
I
you.
think
Wonder.
he's got her number. How long is
I
she gonna
questioned
last?
her
though?
myself, though.
Now he
So,
knows. Is she gonna be looking to off him? He's
right?
already taught those two.
Yeah.
別荘に移動してもらっています。我がかもれないように。
Huh?
何のことですか。ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
What is it? Bitten?
じい
What?
ちゃんの置き土産。借金を返せないクズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団だ。
ゾンビに噛まれた人間はゾンビに
No
I don't know. Denji
way.
took out a ton of those when he got 10.
Yeah.
So
Oh my gosh.
俺たちは
この女を中
いや
華の若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。
契約の内容は
銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾が
Wow.
悪魔の世界も金が必要なんか
Huh.
な。人類諸
yeah, what do they need money for?
Right. For what, though?
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前を
うん
すべてここに書いてもらいます。名前だけでなく他の組の方のもお願いします。
She's gonna kill them all.
お嬢ちゃ
She's gonna do her hand
ん、あん
thing.
たさ、なんも分かってねえな。
Uh-oh.
そんなこと知ってても告げ口バレたら組同士で戦争が起こっちゃうよ。
Yeah,
Yeah.
it would. Turn them in.
国民の安全のためです。ご協力お願いします。
Shit, she gonna piss her off, dude. You piss her off, you're done for.
He doesn't want to start a war though.
No, I guess not.
必要悪って言葉知ってるかい。俺たち身内同士で潰し合ってみな。当然かね。
Oh God,
I am like.
he is cocky as hell.
明日がね
I
じ
don't
ゃ
like him.
仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃありません。ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、
What?
おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋
Oh,
人、奥さんの目です。
their eyes.
目
What? No.
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのなら、
She ain't playing. I told you. I told you she ain't playing. She's somebody not to mess with.
Yeah.
Oh God, there it goes. There it goes. He's gonna splatter everywhere.
Nah, this is a different contract.
あなたの言う必要悪というものは、悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。
Yeah, I think she's got several contracts and
Yeah, there's something.
ビル中の制圧はすべて得意四課に任されている。
Uh-oh.
here we
できるだ
go.
け公安を殺して
And they're ready for him as well. So that's the other thing. Like, this is going to be a tough fight.
They're gonna use the snake. Oh my God.
デンジは俺が殺す。
Oh my God. No, you're not.
熱くなるなよ。
No, you're not.
Are you sure?
Yeah. He's a good boy.
帰りてえなら帰りゃいいじゃねえか。俺は特訓したからよ。
He's just so innocent in so many ways.
ぶっ殺して
He's
やる
just
ぜ。
so cute.
So innocent. He just said he's going to slaughter sideburns, man.
Well, she's crazy. I hate this.
They're both, like, definitely brother and sister.
Yes.
Love to get into trouble
Yes.
together.
And they do.
作戦はない。
Oh!
壁の中へ地面。
Shark
こんな場所で
Fiend.
も泳ぐことができる。こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
So he's killing them all before they're released. Try to get them off. Oh!
ゾンビだと思った。
Oh!
同じ。
Violence
なる
fiend.
と悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、こいつは馴染んでも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。
Damn!
Dispenses poisonous gas. I do that sometimes.
Yeah, it's really bad. Huh. Oh gosh, she looks so innocent. Spider devil.
All those legs. Do you think she grew like multiple pussies?
Yeah, she has like 8 pussies. 4 on each side. Did a big one right in the middle. Ew! Oh god, no, she isn't.
The angel devil. Your lifespan gets drained.
侍ソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。
Oh.
当てはあんのかよ。ない。手分けして探せ。
Split up and search. That sounds like a bad idea.
Yeah, splitting up is always a bad idea.
Yeah.
You need to stay together as a group. When there's more together, there's more power.
Yeah, I never see a case where splitting up ever ends up.
Ever
going
turns
well.
out good.
Yeah.
Never. Oh!
Woo!
Oh, yeah!
Damn!
Get him!
Alright, they were ready.
Yeah, they were.
What's this devil? I want to see this future devil. Is he able to see the future? Oh.
Oh, nosebleed.
Makima?
Probably. 1 down, 2, 3. Oh my god, here you go, bud.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
it's got to be Makima.
Yeah. She's a badass.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Way too confident.
She's cocky. She has that confidence. And it. Oh, yeah. Love it.
Yeah, you liking Makima?
I do. I do. I'm liking her. She's growing on me.
Uh-oh.
幽霊あいつを殺せ
Oh, here we go. Oh.
That's Ameno's devil.
Yeah.
Is she able to steal those contracts?
Maybe. Because we just seen her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the big fight. Oh.
Eye Patch Girl's devil is who it was.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh shit. No,
Don't do it.
Come on. Something has to happen. Something has to give. Come on.
His neck can
Come on.
give.
There's his eye. There's his eye.
He's out.
Oh.
Ah!
Man.
We should know better.
Yeah. On it.
Another good episode, though.
Yeah, he's getting better and better.
Yeah, I think this next episode's probably going to have the biggest battle. We
Yeah,
saw some new characters.
he did.
You know, I mean, the angel devil seemed interesting.
Yeah, she
Bulletproof
protected
wings.
him.
Yeah.
Yeah. She seems so innocent and sweet.
Yeah, but I think
But she's not.
No, just by touching her, she can drain your lifeblood
Yep.
or your
Yep,
life.
she's very
so,
powerful, seems like.
Yeah. But yeah, there's a bunch of new fiends, and hopefully we'll get to know them a little bit. Because they
Right.
seemed very interesting.
Very unique.
Yeah, the Spider
Yeah.
Girl. What I found
was
interesting
cool.
though is that Himeno's devil, that's what it looked like to me.
Yeah. How did she get there? That's
Yeah.
what you're saying? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe like you said, once she collects the powers, she can keep them.
Because the
And use
snake
them
bit
as she
its head
wants.
off.
Right. As it went down through.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I
So
don't
maybe
know.
she can. Maybe she can collect them.
Yeah. I don't know. That would be
That's-
kind of cool though.
Yeah.
Be different, be tricky.
So if you guys understand that more
Yeah.
better than we do, let us know in the comments because that's kind of
Confusing.
it kind of confused me a little bit.
Yeah.
But you know, maybe she made a new contract and has multiple contracts with that.
Yeah, could be possible.
So yeah, but another great episode this week. Cannot wait for next week. I think it's going to be fantastic.
Yes.
Please do smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate it. And we'll catch you later.
Crypto Crew.